everyone, it's Nancy Wethington with you today for the Button Farm Club. This is my newest book. It's done with 49 and Market, everything. Their book, and this book is 6.5 wide by 8 1/4 tall, and it has a 2 3/4 inch spine. And the pages are interactive, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pages, and then counting the inside book covers, you have 6 altogether. So I've used their newest Christmas collection, and I absolutely adore this. I love old-fashioned Christmases. And what I've done on the front cover, first of all, is raised this 6x8 paper collection piece, which is included in your kit. Fussy cut the Christmas tree, added Merry and Christmas to the cover, a little bit of chipboard berries, and 3 Tim Holtz metal stars to the front. And the spine has another Santa image from the 6x8 paper collection. December, Merry Christmas, and Believer all within your pack, and their chipboard words. So when I designed this, I wanted something simple for Christmas. I don't know about you, but I am usually in a rush to try to get Christmas things done, and I didn't want that to be this Christmas. So I designed this to be pretty simple. I know this is going to sound weird for me, but I didn't use any ink at all. I have simple pages. They are interactive for the most part, but still simple interactives, nothing very difficult at all. And it's designed that you could really get this done in one day. The kit will be available shortly on the Button Farm site, and let's go on the inside and see what I have. So I've dedicated different pages to different things that happen over the Christmas holidays. The first 2 pages I've pretty much dedicated to the Christmas tree, because that's a big part of the holidays in our house anyway. So you have a 4x6 mat for the Christmas tree. You can put the finished one, you can put a picture of you cutting down your tree, whatever is part of your Christmas traditions. And of course the words tree and tradition also in your kit. Then on page 1, I've done an interactive page for you. So this is a slider closure, and this is just in case you do an elf on the shelf during the holidays. So lift this up. You've got a top and bottom flip. This is a gatefold page, and I've left room for small photos here. Or if you're dedicating this whole thing to your tree, then it would be cool, I think, to put your favorite Christmas ornaments on there, or a little child's hand putting an ornament on the tree. A spot for journaling, a large photo, and then 2 small photos again. And the cardstock that you're going to get is Basil cardstock. So if you're familiar with that, you know it has a texture on one side and smooth on the other. This I left for journaling, and so when I put mine down, I put the texture side down so I could journal with a pen and it would be easier to write with. So we're going to close this up, slide this in, and that closes the page. The next page is a belly band. Oop, get that over there. With Jolly Santa, so these are pictures of your Santa Claus. With Ho 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 and Jolly Santa and chipboard. And then this page I cut off. This was a full flip page, And I have directions on how I just trim this page down, and we're saving that piece left over for another page that I'll show you in a couple of minutes. So this is just another Santa page. These are all 6 by 8. The base pages are all from the 6 by 8 paper collection. Did a side pocket and I believe chipboard word. Then a nice big 5 by 7 photo mat with the word joyous. And then the next page are flips. Now, for the most part, I left the flips just basic decorations and nothing added to it. You will have leftover chipboard pieces, words and phrases that you can add to these later. So 4 by 6, I did not want to cover over the little carolers because we do have carolers that come through our neighborhood. Then you have a top flip, a bottom flip, and then room for photos. And again, you'll get extra cardstock so you can add your own mats, whatever size you want. What I did on the top flip here, I trimmed off just about 1/4 of an inch, I think it was, and I took 2 equal word phrases. So this one's Joy to the World, and the one in the back is Favorite Tradition, and use those as pull tabs. Then the next page, I did a tuck behind closure. So this has from a holly paper and the word home. Then I used the 2 included side flips. These can be put on any page. I decided to use them here. If you want to change it up, I get it. But the flips themselves are included in the kit. It's all part of the 49 and Market book. So flip and flip. So 4 by 6 on both sides. And then a large mat. You can add, a large mat here if you'd like, or just the plain photo. Again, you'll have extra cardstock. Then this closure slides into a belly band at the bottom. The next page, hoping for a family photo here in my book, but this is a top opening pocket. And I've used a 4 by 6. No, it's not. It's a 6 by 8 cardstock. I just cut it down a little bit. This is part of the collection. I wanted to match the Santas. And then I just have directions in your kit on how to make the tabs. Added Merry and Bright to the front. Did a 2-inch circle punch at the top, a partial punch anyway. Place for a photo and the word together. Now, again, depending on what you do at Christmas time, change the words up to match your photos once you get your photos done. This page is, again, part of the 6 by 8 collection. It has a wreath with a circle, a white circle in the middle. I like to do a little circle photo every now and then in my book, so I did this circle punch, best ever, chipboard holly. And if you don't have a circle punch or die that's this big, just take something round that you can draw around and cut out the circle. If it's not exactly even the way you like it, take an emery board and just file off the paper. And when you file, you go, if this is the paper, you go down stroking on the paper. Then the inside back cover, a nice big pocket that we made with the paper cut off of this page. And I have directions on how you make a pocket. And then this pocket is large, so I have 1 5 by 7 and 3 4 by 6 photo mats that will slip inside once your pictures are finished. That is how simple this book is. The back is covered with a piece of what I'm calling sweater paper. I don't know why, but it just reminds me of stitched sweaters. And that is the whole of the book. Easy. This is a great book if you're a beginner bookmaker or decorator. And it's all ready for you at a Christmas kit with 49 and Market and Button Farm Club. Thank you. Bye.